Hey everyone, so today I'm making some beans, but before I cook these up anymore, I gotta go get some herbs. So I guess come with me. So here we have some basil. It's a basil plant. And over here, we got some rosemary. So let's clip off one of these nice looking sprigs. I'm gonna go for this one right here of rosemary. And pick that on up, and then we'll go and we'll harvest the basil here. Alright, thanks. So here we have some sliced shallots, some chopped carrots, and then also some chopped squash that comes from Sylvie's Island here. It's a local place. Over here we have 1 celery stalk, 2 sprigs of rosemary, some basil leaves. I'm going to just use the stalk for it, crushed garlic, and some thyme. And so that's all going to go into the pot here, and in here are the beans and some vegetable stock and water. Yum. Oh, also some green onions, 2 of them. So these are all just gonna go right in the pot. Let's put these all right in there. Just as is. It's nice. Wash all your veggies, obviously. All gonna go in. Now in the recipe, there was no squash and all of the vegetables were left whole, but I actually want to eat this with the vegetables in it, so I'm chopping the vegetables because I'll just make it easier. The ones that I wanted to eat in with the beans. So like the squash and the carrots and the shallots are all ones I'm going to eat with it. So yeah, so these will just all stew together. I'm going to add in some olive oil. And this is just going to cook for like an hour or so. So this is a short video. I just wanted to show you everything. Also, you can add in a Parmesan rind if you like and make it with chicken stock. But I'm trying to make it vegan. So that's why I'm doing the vegetable stock and no Parmesan rind. Yum. So just bringing this to a boil and then lowering it down to a simmer. And then I'm just going to simmer this uncovered for about 40 minutes. And then I'll do the next step. Yeah, that's actually pretty pretty, wouldn't you say? So this has now been simmering for about 40 minutes. It's actually bubbling now a little bit. And now, steam. Now I'm going to add in a can of diced tomatoes. And this week I'm using organic. Yum. So here we go. Juices and all, in case you're wondering. So yeah, this is very veggie heavy, which makes it a really good and hearty dish. You will not miss the meat or anything in this one, that's for sure. Yum. All the herbs and all the vegetables just come together and make something that's just really, really tasty. I hope. I've actually never eaten that, but I can't imagine it'll be gross. Alright. Yeah, so now I'm just going to cook this for about 20 minutes longer until the beans are done cooking. And yeah. So this is all finished now. And so now I'm just going to fish out the things I don't really want in the final product. So yeah, so I'm just taking out the pieces of celery, pieces of green onion, and then if I can find them, the garlic, and then obviously like the sticks of herbs and stuff. Yeah, and this is ready to serve up. Yum. So here it is, the final thing. I put some sliced basil on top and it's all done. Well, thanks for watching this short and savory episode of Ben's Kitchen. Happy cooking!